top. So let me know in the comments on what you guys think about this new build. Do you like it? Yeah. Check out this gap right here. I think that's ready piece. I think we're just gonna slap some Bondo on that real quick tonight and take this to the drag strip. Go rev it. Yes, sir. Get some WD-40. That right there was cut, so we're gonna have to put a rivet in here.
Link engine management.
It's got some upgraded speakers. Pop the trunk, see what's in there.
Dang, got the radio.
Looks for the radio.
That might be the brand new turbo.
Turbo. I know what brand it is. It's Track Dog Racing. That thing.
What's going on in here? That little bitty spare.
Got some spare lug nuts. Got some antifreeze.
Got a homemade funnel here, you know, to top your fluids off when you're about to hit the drag strip.
Look at all these lug nuts I got.
Oh, got some new lug nuts.
Ain't got nothing on that. Look at that.
We got some extra brake fluid, so he's probably leaking fluid somewhere. Got a tiny battery.
Got a good fuse. That way the fuse blows and not like the whole car blow up instead, you know?
Right. So yeah, overall this car is pretty clean.
Brand new spark plugs probably. Or probably he put in. Maybe it's brand new. Looks like he put the brand new ones. That's the old one. That means he got brand new ones in there.
Yep. So it really looks like this car has been really well taken care of. This is the turbo. It wasn't dogged out. Got a little filter here. Guys, stay tuned on this build. There we go. Got the bumper off. Looks like it went through a field here. intercooler. It's nicely mounted. Got the brackets right here. So we just
Pretty big intercooler, I would say.
got a G plus oil cooler he might be putting on here.
That oil cool, you know.
So that's all we're gonna do today. We've got it taken apart, assess the damage. We know what we need, and now it's just a matter of getting the parts in. And the biggest part of it is this right here.
Yeah, that quarter panel.
So we'll get it on the frame and start working on that.
It's gonna be pretty awesome, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have this thing roll. I'm gonna go probably with some drilled and slotted brake rotors and get some new brake pads, clean that.
Probably repaint those calipers there.
I might be getting some coilovers. Don't know yet. I'm gonna see how these perform. Oh yeah.
Are they out?
Doesn't look too good, man.
Yeah, they look shot.
But
So we'll probably be throwing some coilovers on this build. It's got some nice Rota wheels.
Rotor wheels, yeah. I'm also gonna do an exhaust on it because this exhaust is trash. They just.
Probably looking at about 250 horsepower.
Oh yeah. Miles too. 90,000 miles.